What's up, you guys? So I want to do something a little bit different today. I've done one of these before, but I kind of want to take y'all on like the full day of like what I do on the weekends to get my life together.
You in the past, I'm in the future. You mad, they don't salute you. I need a bag.
Thank you so much for clicking on this video. If you're new here, my name is Keela Trishawn and I make videos on lifestyle, insurance, and mental health. I also do vlogs, day in the life in the insurance industry, day in the life with a toddler, all the things. So if that's something that interests you, go on ahead and click that subscribe button below. Be sure to turn on your notifications so you don't miss anything from me. And if you're returning, thank you so much for coming back and thank you for your support. All right, so today is Sunday and I really need to get one of them jobs where you work 4 days a week and be off 3, but that's neither here nor there. But on Sundays, I like to pretty much get my life together for the week. So right now I'm actually headed to the nail shop. I only have 4 nails on this hand. Little tragedy right here. And then my toenails look crazy. So I'm about to go to the nail shop. And then when I come home, I need to film some more, like another video. I also need to like cook and clean up the bathroom because I didn't do that yesterday. So just gonna kind of take you guys on a little journey. I don't know how much I'm gonna be able to talk in the video because my family is home, so I'm gonna kind of be filming around them. So whatever like clips I can't speak on, I'll just be playing some music for y'all. But I'll definitely be around. So if you're interested to just kind of see what I do on Sundays to get my life together, I guess like a Sunday reset routine, definitely go on ahead and stay tuned. All right, you guys, so like an hour and a half later, I got new nails. Like I feel like a new woman. Oh my God. Like this was one of the best nail shops I've ever been to, like ever. And I've been getting my nails done for like over 20 years. It was worth every penny. It was like a little expensive, but they gave like a full massage and all that. So I was like, you know what? Like it's me Sunday, why not? The week is always like kind of crazy and I had a rough like couple of weeks, so I was like, you know what, let me just go on ahead and treat myself. Now I'm about to go get me some Starbucks and I just called the house. My husband said that the baby wants to go to see pumpkins because Halloween's tomorrow, whatever. So I guess we're gonna do that. So it's gonna be a quick little detour, so I'm gonna try to get some of that footage. But I told him, like, at first I was like, well, I'll just come home. He was like, nah, do what you got to do. We just getting ready. So, okay, cool. So I'm going to just throw on some makeup, I guess, when I get home. Probably leave on what I have. I just have like a sweatshirt, which is fine for, pumpkins. And yeah, we're going to go from there. So I will see y'all in a little bit.
Hello, welcome to Starbucks. How can I help you today?
Hello. The white chocolate mocha, I'm sorry.
Oh, yeah. All right.
You're like, what is
you
that?
Got me confused.
I'm sorry. I was looking at the screen like, where's my drink? Sorry.
No, you're good. So I got a grande iced white mocha.
Yes.
And did you still want whipped cream on that?
Can I have whipped cream, but can I have sugar-free vanilla, please?
Yeah, of course. So you want sugar-free vanilla inside the drink, right?
Yes.
You got it? Anything else?
And then I'll do if you guys have it, the bacon and Gouda egg bites.
Yes, we do.
And I'll have a banana bread warmed up, and that's it.
Perfect. Let me go and punch that last part in. All right, if all of that sounded correct, it's going to be $14.65, okay?
Perfect. Thank you so much.
No problem. I'll see you out the window.
Okay, thanks. All right, so just like that, plans changed back. So baby decided he doesn't want to go to the pumpkin patch anymore. He wants to go hang out with Nana. So I'm back to originally scheduled programming. I'll see y'all in a little bit. My arms are tired. Oh, hey y'all. So I went on ahead and straightened my hair off camera, and as you can see, it's not that straight. That's because my hair is not trained, hasn't been trained in several years, and you know, it just is what it is. So I'm about to go and just like throw some rollers in it just to take out some of the frizz, so like the fullness can be like bouncy curls as opposed to just frizz, because in about like 10 seconds it's gonna look like just a straight blow dry. So I'm gonna go ahead and end the vlog here. I was gonna cook, but I did make food last night and I want to make sure that we eat that so it doesn't go bad. So we're just gonna have leftovers, and then I'll probably get back to cooking tomorrow. But pretty much this Sunday just consisted of me going to get my nails done, doing a little bit of cleaning, and doing my hair before I start the work week. So if you enjoyed this video, definitely go on ahead and give me a thumbs up. It really helps with the YouTube algorithm. If you have not subscribed and you made it this far, go on ahead and click that subscribe button. Be sure to turn on your notifications so you don't miss anything from me. And with that being said, you guys have an amazing day, and I'll see you next time.
You in the past, I'm in the future. You mad, they don't salute you. I need a bag, size is super. They turned your bag, it's like I never knew.